What features should be mentioned about BUBLUE BuSwift 320P Robotic Pool Cleaner? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. New hydrodynamic design. Experience the next level of speed and agility with BuSwift 320P's revolutionary fluid dynamics design. Its sleek, streamlined shape allows it to cut through water effortlessly, moving with unmatched swiftness and leaving your pool sparkling clean in less time. Smart sensor for high efficiency and maximum coverage. BuSwift 320P features newly upgraded smart sensors that allow it to instantly adjust course upon wall contact, ensuring exceptional cleaning efficiency and maximum coverage. With real-time adaptability, it delivers a comprehensive, precise clean with minimal effort. Revolutionary suction power. Experience a new level of pool cleaning with our cutting-edge Blue Hole technology. BuSwift 320P delivers exceptional performance, effortlessly tackling leaves and debris of all sizes. No dirt left behind. DirtLock Tech 2.0, say goodbye to messy spills. BuSwift 320P's DirtLock Tech 2.0 securely traps all debris, sand, leaves, and more when lifted out of the pool. Its advanced drainage system releases stored water in just 5 seconds, making cleanup quick and easy. Auto parking and LED indicator. When the battery is low, BuSwift 320P automatically parks near the pool's edge for easy retrieval. The 4-color LED display provides real-time status updates, keeping you informed at all times. Cordless freedom and 90-minute battery life. Experience hassle-free cleaning with BuSwift 320P's cordless design, eliminating tangled cables and bulky hoses. With an upgraded 90-minute battery life, it ensures efficient cleaning for above-ground pools up to 850 square feet. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.